Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can create a checklist and insert it into your documents on Google Docs in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document. I am going to use this example document here. Skip to a new line in your document here on your page, and you will see the checklist feature here at the top. So you may choose between two different types of checklists, that one and this one. So select one of those. I'm going to use this one. And then the first checklist point will appear. So you may filter with content like, I don't know, option A, skip to the next line, enter the next item, option B, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to indent, skip to the next line and press tabulator or tab on your keyboard. That would be, for example, option C, CA or something like that, I don't know. And then if you'd like to mark these checkpoints here or checkpoints, you simply may click into them to mark them, to insert a check mark icon like this. Yeah, that's it. Alternatively, guys, or optionally, you may also highlight the text for these marked checkpoints. And then, for example, change the color of the given option so that you know that the given option has been already completed, or the given task. There's no strike through feature here on Google Docs, but you can, for example, if you like, you can use the drawing tool for that and insert a line to place it above the option to draw a strike through and to put it on that item. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.